Mm-hmm. So you're gonna come over later? Mm-hmm, yes. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hello? Is anybody there? Oh my God. Are you serious? Who are you? Hello? Is anyone there? Are you trying to die? Man, sometimes I hate my job. Well, like, do you value your life at all? Like, if I hear weird noises coming from the kitchen, I'm out. But you're all like, hello, is anyone there? Like, I'm gonna pop out the kitchen like, yeah, hey, I'm in here. You want a ham sandwich? And why is it so dark in here? For God's sake, turn on a light. It's like you want to get slaughtered. So because I'm feeling generous, I'll give you a head start. Run. Please, don't kill me. I have a family. Yeah, fuck this.